Across these two new mini polish sets of LA Colors, you guys, in Family Dollar. This one's called Desert Diva. Oh my gosh, how to break them. $4 and you get 5, and this one's Cabana Chic. These are cute. That's what the back looks like. Doesn't say any names of them on them, but they were way up here. And back. And there was some new nail polishes by L.A. Colors somewhere. Let me see if they got them. So I got one for my birthday. Oh, here they go. These. L.A. Colors Hypno Holographic. Wait, are these new, y'all? Or were these already here? I think they're new. So they got, these are the colors. Voodoo. This one, I can't pronounce it. This one's Paranoia, Wander, Surreal, and Sentiment. They're pretty. That's how it looks.
For what?
And then they have the other colors, the metal, the mermaid, and the unicorn. And anything else new? I had took a picture of this. This is the new color, cordless nail dryer. I think it's $5. They do have some new, like, Modessa brushes. This. They got a bunch of new these. Oh, I think these are all just random colors. This new. Oh, this is a pastel. Buttercut. It's $1. Pastel. This is a pastel. And so is this one. And then, oh, they're all pastels. Oh, okay, wait, take that back. This one is. This one. There's another purple, a blue. This is pretty. This is called Fuel. This one, I think I heard about Nuclear Energy. Live. Sassy Sparkle. This one. Glitter Bomb is not a good one. These, it's kind of pretty. Tropical Storm. Okay, so yeah, that's it. Ooh. Look at this. Glitter Cream eyeshadows. This is pretty. I wonder how much these are. 'Cause it's in the wrong place. But it is cute. Alright, let me get out of here, y'all. Here's some more of the palettes. Here's the peach one and the highlight palette. I think I have pictures of them. I'll put them in the video.
3-liter box, $4. Get why you didn't grab me one.
This is a pretty blue. That zing is really pretty. Alright, that's it. Talk to you. Oh, wait a minute. Look at this. Under eye mask and lip mask for $1. How cute. That's not bad. I like that. Okay, that's it for real, y'all. Talk to y'all later. Bye.